Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. Fall just feels like the perfect time for warm apple desserts, doesn't it? These vegan apple dumplings are one of my favorite comfort recipes because they look fancy but are actually super easy to make. With tender apples wrapped in flaky pie crust and baked in a spiced apple cider sauce, they taste like little bundles of autumn happiness. They're dairy-free, plant-based, and perfect for family dinners, fall gatherings, or even a cozy Halloween night treat. You will need these ingredients. For the apples, 6 Granny Smith apples, or any firm baking apple. 2 boxes of pre-made rolled pie crusts, vegan-friendly. 6 tablespoon plant-based butter, about 1 tablespoon per apple. 6 to 12 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoon per apple. Ground cinnamon, a dash for each apple. For the sauce, 2 cups apple juice, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Wash, peel, and core 6 apples, Granny Smith preferred. If you want to prevent browning, place peeled apples in cold water with a little lemon juice while you work. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 205 degrees Celsius. Make the sauce. Add to a blender that heats like the foodie blender I have here or a saucepan. 2 cups apple juice, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Bring to a boil, whisking, then simmer 2 to 3 minutes to melt flavors. Turn off heat. Prep crusts. Use 2 rolled pie crusts. Check that they're vegan. Unroll each and cut into 4 squares, 8 total. You'll use 6. Keep the extra 2 for patching. Wrap apples. Place 1 apple core side up on a dough square. Bring corners up and around the apple, leaving the top opening exposed. Press to seal. Patch any gaps with extra dough. Repeat for all apples. Did you know apple dumplings were sometimes called the poor man's apple pie, because they were cheaper and easier to make but had the same cozy flavors? Apple dumplings were once a popular breakfast food in colonial America. People would pour cream or syrup over them and eat them first thing in the morning. Would you eat one for breakfast? Arrange wrapped apples opening side up in the baking dish. Add 1 tablespoon plant butter into each apple core. Then fill each core with brown sugar, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and a dash of cinnamon. Life's better when you're all wrapped up in pie crust. Add the sauce. Pour a little of the hot sauce into each apple core until nearly full, then pour the rest around the apples in the pan. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, until the crust is deep golden and a knife slides easily into the apple. If the crust is browning too fast, tent loosely with foil. Let cool 10 minutes. Spoon some of the pan sauce over the tops before serving. Serve warm with a scoop of dairy-free vanilla ice cream or coconut whipped cream. Sprinkle chopped nuts or add a maple drizzle for extra fall vibes. Store covered up to 3 days. Reheat at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or microwave 30 to 45 seconds. Add a splash of apple juice if the sauce thickens. Wrap individually and freeze up to 2 months. Thaw overnight, then warm in the oven. And that's it. Simple, sweet, and oh so delicious apple dumplings that are sure to impress. I love serving these warm with a scoop of dairy-free vanilla ice cream, but honestly they're just as good all on their own. They store well too, so you can enjoy a taste of fall even a few days later. Give this recipe a try and let me know how your family likes them. I bet they'll be gone in no time. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.